There's a problem with being the DIY guy. Everyone wants you to do those odd jobs. Hey Julia.
Hey Baz, you reckon you can give this one a spruce up for me?
You know I can.
Perfect.
But what I think I'll do is do a video on how to do it so everyone knows what they're doing. Okay, here we are. Now to give this little side table a new lease of life, I'm going to start by putting a new shape on the edge. Now to do that, a great little tool is the 1+ RYOBI trimmer. There's a whole range of cutting tools with different profiles. It's always a good idea to choose your profile and just get used to the machine on a scrap piece of timber. And that's what we're going to do. Okay, I'm really happy with this profile. A nice sharp angle is going to give this little table a really contemporary look. A couple of features with the trimmer, of course, is the power source. Disconnect that when you're ever adjusting things. There's a quick release here on the lock, and then you've got a micro depth adjustment. That takes the cutting edge up and down. There's a little light and a see-through base makes it really easy to see what you're cutting. Now a great little tip here, when you're going around the outside of a job, go in an anti-clockwise direction. If you're cutting on the inside, clockwise. With the battery in, it's lightweight and well balanced with a really comfortable grip. Well, that was a bit of fun. I'm going to give this a light sand and a coat of paint. I reckon it's going to look brand new. For any information on the trimmer or any of the RYOBI range, check out our website.
RYOBI, a cut above.